Now you can see we're at the Holiday Inn Niagara Falls. Okay, they have a coffee section as soon as you turn the corner. It's a tourist booth for the boat. So it's like you got the lounge section, another lounge section. So that's two lounge place where you eat. Looks like you can come here with your laptop. That's interesting. Watch some TV. And then there's a corridor from checking in where you can check into your room. It's another corridor off to the right with another lounge section. And then I believe straight down, the anchor bar is down there. So you just gotta walk. So it is connected. I haven't seen any pictures like that. Right here, you pay to get some comfort. I don't want to record the gentleman. It's beautiful. Water smells like chlorine. It might be a pool over here. Let me walk over here. I'm gonna show you. I smell it. Oh, it is a pool. I don't have my swimsuit. I could probably go buy one. All right, that's nice. So if I turn it. All right, I'm coming over here. I'm looking in the room to see what we have in here. It's really big fitness room. Okay, I believe you use your key card to get in there, so that's good. And then there's a back wall here. And that's just to the other seating area. And those sofas look super comfortable. Okay, so over here by the check-in desk is some food that you can put in the microwave. You got soda there. And okay, we're here at the Holiday Inn Niagara Falls Hotel. Okay, and we are at the room 503. So then when you open the room, you got 2 double beds. Well, that's the room that I selected. And when you first come in, you can put your bags and things in the front. Hang your clothes and belongings here with the iron and some hangers. Left is the standard layout, is a bathroom. It's got nice wallpaper in it, some art on the wall. And you know what's in the bathrooms. I'm just showing you what it looks like. Mirror, hello. All right. And you got some body lotion and hand wash that they provide for you. And it's an actual tub in here. And then they also give you, okay, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash by Dove. Okay, and making my way out, going in the other room. I have the lights off. All right, so there's a body mirror here. And then you have your, it's like a elongated desk. You got your writer's desk with a lamp. And I turn that light on down here. Perfect. Just want to see to give you the power. All right, you got the 2 US ports, and then you have 2 USB. Okay, and some nice art on the wall. Coffee pot handy. Looks like you got some tea in there as well. 3 cups. Okay. I like the Keurig for you. Single cup maker. Okay. And that looks like either 50 or 55-inch TV. I like that. Down here is a door to the refrigerator. Okay, which I put a bunch of stuff in. Okay, let me shut the door. And under here is more storage, a very deep dish. Deep dish. All right, we got a microwave hiding under there. And then you get your ice bucket. The rest is all my little snacks. All right, so it's pretty open. It's pretty roomy on the floor. All this is open space. You got your air, of course. It's pretty cool. The windows are styled like that. View. My view is of actually the parking lot. I believe other people's views are on the other side of the casino, the Seneca Casino. All right, so let me turn around here. I'm eating some pizza. There's a chair there with a cute green pillow, unique lamp. As a fact, this is where I turn it on. Now, let me see if I can do it. I like that. Okay, so the lamp's on. This looks like this is an adjourning room, so keep that locked. You don't need any strangers showing up. All right, so we got the 2 beds, all right? All right, that's pretty thick. I like to do the bed check. Love that. 4 pillows to the bed. Very, very, very good, tight, snug bed. I like a snug wrapped bed. Okay, so both are good. In the center of the bed is the only table, because I usually like to have tables on both sides of the bed, but that's not the case. We got this one single table in the middle. We got some storage under here. And a standard alarm clock in your room, phone, and your lamp. And then let's look at the power. We have United States plug, and also you got the 2 USB ports. Okay, some art on the wall. So if I go to the corner, we're going to get a good view of the room again from here. And I say it's not bad. And then I'm going to walk over this way. And then you're going to get a good view of the room from this side. So far, I like it. When I came in, the air was crisp. Even though it's a carpeted room, I like the rooms that with the wooden floors. But because it's a carpeted room, and it was so crisp when we came in here that I didn't mind it too much. Nice and fresh. I didn't have no mildew smell or anything. So I like that about a room. I like the back board of the bed. It looks nice. It's mauve color. And classic. And very simple and elegant. Same with the designs on the curtains. Okay? The Holiday Inn Niagara, they don't serve breakfast, but you can eat at the Anchor Bar. They have some delicious wings they serve there, but you don't have to eat wings. You can eat breakfast food. I hear their breakfast is good as well. Okay? So if you like the video, hit like and subscribe, and then come back and see me again.